You don't remember every illness you've had. You don't remember every test result. You don't remember every mistake. AI does, and it never forgets. The question isn't whether AI can read medical records. The question is what happens after it does. It became too fast, too complex, too data-heavy for humans alone. Doctors are buried in records. Patients are buried in confusion. AI steps in, not as a savior, but as a solution to overload. It reads what no human has time to read. It connects dots humans don't see. And once something becomes useful, it becomes inevitable. Stop saying, "I'll ask my doctor," and start saying, "The system already checked." AI doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be better than average. That's enough for authority to shift. And when authority shifts, responsibility disappears. When an AI summary is wrong, who do you blame? The hospital? The developer? The system? Or yourself for trusting it? Medical records aren't just about the past. They predict the future. Risk of disease, mental health patterns, genetic probabilities. Once AI systems process that data, it stops being information. It becomes inference. And inference can be used to influence insurance, shape treatment priorities, decide what gets flagged and what doesn't. Even without bad intentions, power shifts quietly. That's how systems change societies without asking. AI should never decide what you do next. Its role ends at explaining, highlighting, warning. The moment it starts recommending paths, ranking risks, or implying urgency, it becomes a silent authority. And silent authorities are the most dangerous kind. AI in healthcare isn't optional anymore. It's coming because systems need it. The only choice left is whether it becomes a tool that serves patients, or a system patients obey. That decision won't be made by technology. It'll be made by silence or resistance. Because this story doesn't end with medical records. It ends with who controls decision-making in your life.